Hey everybody, Sam back once again, and it's a quick one for you today. Well, depends how quick I can get through the languages, because as you can tell by the video title, I'm going to be showing you what a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G, Jesus that's hard to say, to show you what languages it comes in, because I know a lot of people who actually do purchase them from the UK and then ship them abroad. So this is for my friends over in the United Arab Emirates who might just generally would do import phones over there. Even though you can get it over there, it seems to be something they'll import from the UK. Don't know why, but yeah. Anyway, let's have a quick look, shall we? Alright, so here we are, is the languages. This is suggested by Samsung. We've got the top one. I'm not sure what that is. I mean, it looks like it should be Azerbaijan, but it's in Latin. We've then got, is it Bosanski? Catala. We've got Sestina. I think we've got Dank. Oh, geez, we've got other ones next to it. Jesus. We've got Deutsch, we've got Esti, I think this is German and Finnish. We've then got English, Espanol, Escara, or Filipino. Hey up to my Filipinos out there. Does it have Cebuano on top of that? No, it doesn't. Anyway, let's go back into it. We've then got French, we've got Galish, we've got Galeo, Hrvatski, Indonesia, Icelandska, is Icelandic? I don't know. Italian, I think it's Latvian and Lithuanian if I'm not mistaken. Magyar, Malaysia, Netherlands. We got Norse Bokmal, I think that's Norwegian maybe. We got Uzbek, Polski, I think we got Polish, Portuguese, Romanian, not sure. Guessing Slovenian and Slovakian, maybe one way around or the other. We've then got Spruski, Swami. Hang on, that's Finnish. I'm not sure now actually. We've then got Ting Viet, probably Vietnamese maybe. I don't know actually. Turkish I think. We've got Turkmendili. We've got not a clue. We've got not a clue. Not a clue for the rest of these ones. So I will bring it a little bit closer for you fellas and ladies. If you want to see if yours is on there. There's a hell of a lot of languages as you can probably tell. We're even going to this side of the bloody map. So you might see your language based up in this right now. Job done. Jesus, I've never seen this as many in my life. Call them. That is pretty damn bonkers. Well done to Samsung for having so many languages on their devices. Absolutely nuts, isn't it? Now the crazy thing about that, again I'm just going through them again. The crazy thing about the languages is it's not just these ones. If we click English, we then get regional versions of English. So yeah, we've got like Australian, Canadian, Ireland, New Zealand, Philippines, South Africa, United States. We've then got all these bad boys as well. Yeah, that's pretty bonkers, is that? Jesus. Call them. All I can say is if you see any of these ones here, might be a different dialect of it or a different version of it. You can find that as well. But that's it. That's the languages on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G Max Edition. Yeah, it's not Max Edition. That's an iPhone. Yeah. Look at that. It's annoying me. Ugh. Anyway, thank you for watching. Any questions with regards to this or anything else, smash me a comment below. And while you're there, smash the like button. Messed that one up, didn't I? And go on, subscribe. It's free, honestly. Doesn't cost you a penny, a nickel or a dime. Anyway, people, thank you for watching, and you'll hopefully see me. Well, if you don't see me, you'll hear me and you'll see these puppies in my next video. Cheers, everyone.